How to file your VAT. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can file our VAT all by ourselves from the comfort of our home. All you need to do is to make sure you stay tuned and you watch exactly the way I do this step by step, so as for you to be able to file your VAT and not be penalized for not filing. Yes, because we already know before now that if you don't file your VAT before 21st of every month, you will be penalized with 100,000 naira for that first month, and then subsequent months will be 50,000 naira for not filing. It is not for not paying, it is for not filing. Because of those that are still asking, must I file when I am not ready to pay? Yes, you must file even when you are not paying, to make your record to be up to date for your record purpose. So you need to file even if you are filing nil. And in this video, I'll be showing us how we can file that nil. So let's go straight into why we are here. We are here to file our VAT, and the VAT we will be filing is what we call the nil filing. Nil filing means when you file without paying. So let's go straight into it. What you need to do is to log into your portal. I believe by now you should have known how to log into your portal, how to navigate your portal, how to migrate from tax promos to your Rev360, which is the new portal. And should in case you are just coming across this video and you don't know, I have each of this video well explained on this channel, so feel free to check it out for your own good, so as to be on a safer side. So let's proceed to why we are here to file our VAT for this month, so as not to be penalized. Let's go there. Input your email and your password to log in. Click on sign in. Give it time to load up. You can see processing authentication. The network is a little bit not strong this morning. And boom, you are in your dashboard. So once you get to this place, what you need to do is to come down to this place where you have self-tax filing. Self-tax filing. Click on it. And boom, it will take you down to this particular interface. Give it time to load up. You can see on this account we have one tax due here on this particular account. So what you need to do next is to click on taxes due, where you are seeing number 1. You can click on this place, or you click on where you have taxes due, get started. Any which way you click on, it will take you to where you need to continue your filing from. So click on this place where we have 1. It's showing 1 because this business only have 1 tax to file. So if your own is showing 2 or 3 or 4, it means you have accumulated taxes to file. Don't say my own is showing 3, my own is showing 2. So our taxes filing are different. Yes, I file my tax monthly, so if you don't file your own, it will accumulate for you, and as it keeps accumulating, there's tendency you are accumulating debts. There's tendency you are accumulating penalty also. So to be on the safer side, make sure you watch this video to the end and always do your own, always. And should in case you don't have time to do it, then you can give it out to a competent consultant who can handle it for you. And should in case you find pleasure in giving it out to us at Rev360 247, then we are at your service. just click the link in the video and reach out to us. We will get your company to the best order. So let's proceed to why we are here. Once it takes you to this spot, you come down here and you are going to be seeing the particular tax that you want to file. So for this particular business, it only has VAT to file. So in some cases, you receive VAT and CIT. That is if it is a company registration. So that is the difference. Yes, if it is a company registration, you are going to be seeing both VAT and CIT that you need to file. Then you are going to see assessment number. Here is the assessment number, assessment period. This is for April 2026. Due date is 21st of May 2026. Filing status. You can see the filing status is showing what? Not filed. Then the status is showing in review. So after I have filed this now, the status is going to change. So for now, let's proceed. The next thing is what? Due period. This filing will due in 5 days. So after 5 days, anyone that does not file his or her tax after 5 days now will be penalized with whatsoever you see on your dashboard. Yes, so make sure you are up to date. Now the next thing is for you to click on file now, and it will load up this interface for you. Once it gets to this interface, you select the currency. We are in Nigeria. If I want to pay, I'll be paying in Naira, so I will pick this. So if you are paying in USD, you pick USD. If you are paying in Euro, you pick Euro. If you are paying in GBP, pounds, you pick this, and so on. But I am a Nigerian. I am in Nigeria. I will be picking NGN, meaning Naira. So here is the month of April. Filing year is 2026. These two are not editable. You cannot click it. They are not clickable. So from here now, the next thing you need to do is to come to where you have download VAT templates. Click on those download VAT templates. It will load up for you, and you are going to click on download file. So you click on download file and it will download for you on your phone or on your system. Yes, so I'm using my phone to make this video for easy access to those of us that are using phone, because I know most of us are always using phone. So once you click on download and it downloads for you, you click on open. You open it, it will open up for you. So there are some things you need to put in place here so as to be sure that you are filing NIL filing, for you not to keep going forth and back, keep parabolating on this spot. So once it takes you here, this particular page is not editable, so you cannot edit anything here. You cannot add anything. You cannot do anything. So all you need to do is to make sure you read all of this for you to understand. I hope we get that. Yes, you will need to go through it. I won't be reading this for us, or neither will I be explaining it, because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's go straight into it. Once you get to this place, you come to the next column. It asks column A to F. So before I forget, don't add any other column to it. Anything you download is what you need to upload in terms of this, since it is a NIL filing. So you come to this column A and make sure nothing is in any of this box here. You can see my box that you are seeing that it is empty. Nothing is imputed in it. Then you move again to column B for you to also check your column B, if there is anything. So if there is anything typed in between the columns, what you need to do is to remove it. In short sentence, in one word, your column needs to be empty without anything. Just as you've downloaded it, that is the way you need to upload it. But in some cases, you might want to see some things in between. Just you need to remove it. That is the essence of this that we are doing. Then you go to your column C and check if there are any figures or any number in between any of the column. You can see everything is empty. Only what we have here are the wordings that are on the NRS portal. Then you go to column C2 also to check. You can see nothing is in our column C2. If you come again to column D, we check this also. You can see nothing is there. You come to column E. Same things apply to our column E. We did not impute anything. And the last column, which is the column F, nothing is also there. So these are what you have here, and this is what you will be uploading back. But before then, you need to rename this thing so that by the time you want to upload, it will be easier for you to upload it with the name that you are given to it. So right here now, what you need to do is to rename your templates. So I'll be renaming this template here. Click on this to rename. After you've renamed and you've done all the necessary thing on your templates, you come down to this place and click on drag your Excel file here or browse file. Click on this spots. It will take you back to your phone for you to pick that particular Excel sheet that you had downloaded. Long press it and select, then it will load it up and you are going to see upload assessment. Click on upload assessment. Let's wait for it to load up. You can see assessment uploaded successfully. Now you will see that in this column here, nothing is here. Then once you've gotten to this stage, you are going to be seeing this declaration down here. You need to come here and click on this declaration. I declare that the particulars in this return and the accompanying schedule inputs, outputs, and other adjustments are correct and complete in accordance with the provision of Chapter 6 and Chapter 8, Part 4 of the Nigeria Tax Act 2025. So what you need to do is for you to acknowledge and accept. I accept this declaration. Once you click on this, I accept this declaration, this file return at the right hand side will pop up. Then you click on file return. Give it time to load up. You can see returns filed successfully. So we've successfully filed return for this business name. I hope with this explanation you've been able to understand how you can file your own VAT every month by yourself. And should in case you still have question, feel free to drop the question in the comment section. And if you are just coming across my video, you might be wondering, who is this? I am Deborah Rafiu, and on this channel I share simple step-by-step guides on CAC registration, TIN, Rev360, tax promo, SMEDAN, business compliance, and other important business updates in Nigeria. If you want practical business tutorial that saves you time, stress, and costly mistakes, make sure you subscribe and stay connected. So right now, let's go back for us to see what our account will be saying. Let's go back to our main. You can see now that our taxes due has removed from 1 to 0, meaning we have filed the tax. If we come back to this place where we started from, that we had 1 before, you can see it's also showing 0. This means we've successfully filed our NIL VAT on this particular Rev360 account. So if you find value in this video, if you learned something from this, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscription is free. Feel free to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop other videos. And if you have any other question, don't hesitate to drop your question in the comment section. I'll be glad to provide an answer to every question. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.